Guys, welcome back to another video of me cooking. So here's another simple, easy, affordable meal that you can cook for you and your family. And I'm gonna be showing y'all how to make Jamaican curry chicken. So first you want to make sure you have your chicken. I've already washed and cleaned my chicken up, and I placed it on the cutting board because I'm about to cut them up in small pieces. As y'all can see, it's nice and diced up. Now we're gonna go ahead and season it. So I'm gonna show you everything that I'm using. You don't have to use all of these because this is what I choose to use. You can use any type of seasoning you want. So I always go in with a little bit of Jamaican jerk seasoning, and this is just to give it that kick. You're not going to use a lot of this, just a little bit to give it that kick, right? And to give it some spice as well. So like this much. Yep. Maybe a little bit more, because you're not going to taste the jerk sauce. I mean, it's not going to taste like jerk chicken. It's just to give it a little bit more flavor, because you're not using a lot. You're just using a little bit. And then, last but not least, we're going to go in with our Jamaican. So yeah, like I was saying, last but not least, we're going to go in with our Jamaican curry powder. Make sure to get the Jamaican one, because there's different types of curry powder and they just don't all taste the same. So make sure to get the Jamaican one. And we're going to put about this much. Like that. And now I'm about to use my spoon, and we're gonna just mix this in.